Hello everyone, I'm Nishil D'Souza and this is my channel Wind of Dreams. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make sun catchers. Some of you might be wondering that I was always posting dream catchers and dream catchers, but all of a sudden changed the name and saying sun catchers. Yes, sun catchers have the object that reflects to the sunshine and you can hang it in your balcony or near your windows. So let's start to make this craft. Here I have taken few Olivier shell and few spire shells and some small shells. Now I'll paint these spire shells in golden color. I'm using acrylic golden color here. And now I'm done with painting all spire shells in gold. Now I've taken two CDs and you have to split the CDs from the middle. You can use CDs for this craft without splitting the CDs too. And now I'll make small pieces of these CDs and keep it at side. And here I've taken two cardboard pieces in a teardrop shape. Its outer radius is of 4 inches. And its inner radius is of 3 inches. But you can take any size of cardboard. Now I'm gonna keep the CD behind the cardboard and mark its shape. And then I'm gonna cut the CD keeping little distance from the line. Then you have to stick the CD behind the cardboard. Now I'll mark few places on the cardboard to make holes. Now I'm going to stick the another cardboard piece to the first cardboard piece. And then I'll fix the jump rings to the holes. Now I'll put the glue on the CD and stick the CD pieces on it. I'll stick the spire shells and Olivia shells on the cardboard. I suggest you to use gun glue to stick these shells. Now I'm going to decorate this with paper flowers. If you want to know how to make these flowers, I had given the link in the description. Please do check it. And now I'm going to fill the empty places with these pearls and shells. Now I'm going to fix this chain to the jump rings. And I had fixed this beautiful crystal bead hanging too. Now I'll paint the back side. And now I'll cut this CD into small pieces to stick upon it.